In 2021, we left our good-paying jobs close to the city of Philadelphia and headed for a country life in the mountains of West Virginia. We had a piece of land, a camper, a dream, and each other. Since then, we've worked hard to start our life here, and we're taking on the biggest challenge of our lives, finishing our Barndominium dream home. Our biggest hope is to inspire others through our journey, because it is possible to follow your dreams. A little silliness goes a long way when you're starting to feel a little bit of stress. This week, we're trying to keep it lighthearted as we continue to get through our checklist of electrical rough-in. Soon enough, inspections will be taking place. All right, guys, today it's a little colder than it's been, so we have the wood stove going behind us.
So I got two hats on, by the way, and a hoodie. But this helps.
And too much coffee.
Yeah,
he's
3 cups.
Really hyped up right now.
Ready to go.
So we are going to be working on our smoke detectors and getting them placed correctly. So we've been looking up the codes and making sure that we pick the right spots for it. So we're going to get them all placed and wired up. So up here is essentially going to be our ceiling. So we're going to make sure that we want to avoid any dead air space so that smoke detector can work properly. So we don't want to be any closer than 4 inches to that, and then accommodating an extra ½ inch for drywall. But we do want to be within 12 inches of the ceiling so that it's high enough up where smoke rises. So we're going to try to put the bottom of the box at around 11 inches just to be in a really good spot here. So I'm going to mark that and get it installed.
So one thing that I noticed doing electrical that is extremely important is making sure you take the time to plan out how you want to wire from the breaker to the location that you need to go. I'm going to get up on the scaffolding now, and we're going to start doing some more wires. So I just wanted to share with you, we've had a lot of rain recently. And just want to show you our wet weather stream that cuts in between both of our ridges. And sometimes I'll just sit here and just listen and enjoy the water. It's very peaceful. I'm thinking about maybe getting a hammock over here and just being able to just lay back, enjoy the fresh air, listen to this beautiful water running. But I just wanted to share with you this one part of our land. I don't know if we ever had a chance to show you, but this is a place that I come to just decompress and just, you know, mindfulness meditation. If you're not familiar with it, just learning to just ground yourself and just listen to nature. That's it. So just coming out here and just breathing in, like I said, the fresh air and listening to this water stream is very relaxing for me. I'm putting these plates in. This is so when we put the drywall in, when we screw it, it doesn't go and pierce the wire. Since it's close, I'm going to put the plate right here. So yeah, I just went around and looked, and anything close, I put a plate in. I was informed the more that you put in is probably the safest bet. So anything that was questionable, I just nailed a plate to. So what you're gonna do is see this little point here, this little like sharp part of this bit. You're gonna just push just a little bit right on the X. See that point, right? And just push it a little bit, right? Now make sure it's because you want it to go straight through the other side. All right, you gotta hold it good. All right, go through. All right. Push all the way through. Instead of going down, you want to stay level, like this. Go ahead, push it.
I'm scared.
All the way through. There you go.
Hold it down. Good girl.
Now push it. That's it. That wasn't that hard, right? Now check the other side. Is it right in the middle? Push it through.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Next week, we're going to take on the breaker panel. And before you know it, we're going to inspections. But we just want to take a minute to say thank you to each and every one of you. We have just hit 1,000 subscribers, and we could not be more humbled. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and join along. We'll see you guys next time.